bracket. Ryan DCB beat L 3-0 and then Top Gap 3-0, so he is waiting on the loser of Gamer versus Arjun.
Yeah, that's a definite nerf team kill, especially if Gamer loses that set. But this set starting out Byleth versus Roy.
Go!
Now, Anaconda can definitely get stuff going. Especially with Byleth, like, they always tend to find the axe whenever they need it, you know? Far there it is, pulling out Gamer early.
And here's where Byleth shines.
Yeah, that up air, massive, catches so much space. Slime, able to get back, and gets a little bit of up air of his own. Bowser Jr. up air, very, very good. Great job.
And Byleth may be able to juggle a lot of characters really well, but nearly every character can just juggle Byleth right back.
I like that Anaconda waiting right there. A lot of players, they're going to use some kind of move after getting hit by the clown car.
Oh, Slime is ready for the Byleth gimmicks. Caught the jab.
Yeah, that jab's scary too. One of the only jabs that's going to kill.
Caught the tether, and that's first stock going to Slime. Anaconda was leading for most of the game there, but Slime made every hit count.
Slime
This could
not
go
really controlling that clown car there, but still getting some pressure here, throwing it on the board.
Smooth conversion from Slime. Oh, up B too early. And Anaconda capitalizes on the rare mistake from Slime.
Great tag there. That was a hard hit on that down throw. I think it's the failed not neutral air right there. One of the most popular Byleth options. They will always use it. One of the biggest things to know.
With the landing hitbox too.
Oh, you know what? Barely misses the hammer. That's a classic Bowser Jr. trick. It catches with the up B. That was clever. He's got Slime before he gets the chance. Not quite the proper position.
That was looking at a hard read on the side B off the ledge.
I really like that right there. Anaconda was taking their time in the corner.
That's death.
That is certain death.
The smile on Anaconda's face as his stock is stolen like a thief in the Oh,
that's the thief of the night that didn't change the day. He's not getting even stuck too.
got the hammer through the nair.
Yeah, the nair, you think with that move it hits on both sides, but it's just one hitbox spinning. And that back air getting so much damage. I think too much more for Anaconda. This stock, the tech chase doesn't quite land the grab. They had it too.
Anaconda looking much more comfortable now.
Started out over there. More Slime. Anaconda gets a little more comfortable, doesn't get caught on their center. Give Slime a little bit of a space to come back to center stage.
Back hit. That's the side B that Anaconda was looking for earlier.
Some attacking out of the corner here from Slime. Nevertheless, be ready for that. Just knock it forward smash. That was terrifying. And you know, it's one of the most popular options here. Out of the corner, jumping. Anaconda waiting, going back, sticking around near the ledge. Very nice play.
Lowish angle leaves Anaconda to force into a
gosh, almost lands it into his top there, but that forward tilt not quite going to take the stock.
even with the tipper. Oh.
This is really scary for Slime at 100.
Oh no!
That's not an SD.
Oh, that's an SD from Anaconda! Oof.
Anaconda definitely had that in their hands. And they were definitely expecting the tech.
Not respecting Bowser Jr.'s recovery, and that lets Slime take the first game. So looking at what's gone on in the other pool that we have here. Sammy G beat Jack L 3-0, then lost to Grape 3-1. Grape then went on to play Whisker. That's happening right now on the Smash Right Esports stream. Whisker got there by beating Akella by a DQ. He already had was already in the second round of the game. Jive beat Wisdom 3-2. Wisdom is a Steam player.
It's definitely a tough goal for sure. Game number 2, the Morton switch, by the way. Roy to Morton.
I thought I heard Lem.
He's cycling around with the kids.
And then the match you see here, the two players that these two beat in order to get this matchup.
Oh my gosh, that hammer barely catched Anaconda there.
Slime beat Jive 3-0, and then Anaconda beat $5. $5 to Jive, now playing each other in the losers bracket.
I think Anaconda was ready to type right there. Unfortunately, he got into the jab, and Slime's kind of running away with this one. I feel like maybe he got the power up from the SD, and that sometimes happens. You feel a game, you start to feel each other a little bit. He feels pressure winning the game.
Conversion off the nair, that was smooth.
And that's definitely what Anaconda needed in order to stay in this game. Slime definitely with some momentum there. He's sticking around in the corner. I love how Anaconda's playing in the corner. Don't be scared. Around there, we have the right time and great damage there. Now Anaconda with the lead.
Good parry though.
Snare into the dash attack.
The Bowser Jr. Nair is something. Oh.
Barely mistimes the forward smash.
The Bowser Jr. Nair is surprisingly big. Found the arrow.
Oh my gosh, that kind of worked against Anaconda right there. All you need to do is shield.
Kinda got a little distracted, but managed to survive. Oh, it tried to force it a little too hard, and Slime converts appropriately into the stock.
Yeah, using the jump right there. Definitely starting to do for Anaconda, but you know what? You can't count them out.
Found the up smash. Okay.
The clown card. How does the armor work? I don't even know. But it did work against that giant sword over here. You know what? That was a scary air dodge. You can air dodge, I like that. Very simple Anaconda. But Anaconda getting some offense here. Not landing the up B, but practically making this. I like this Slime. Into that jump there. Uh-oh. Going in. Caught with that jab down there. White catching him going high.
Anaconda hadn't hit any of those down airs last game, so they thought different of it this time. Slime was really looking for the aggressive option off ledge, but Anaconda patient enough to not bite.
Looking scary there for Anaconda.
Oh!
Anaconda saving their life off stage, but that rapid jab is going to kill. Slime up.
Yep.
2-0.
The players' names are reversed. It's actually, yeah, there it is.
Well, it's been a little bit rougher for Anaconda. They've been doing really well in this matchup, in this set. However, just haven't really been able to close out. Like that first game was stolen by that second game, they generated some momentum, but it wasn't enough. And they bring it back for a Slime. I don't know. It's really, any of these games are so like either way kind of games. If we're going to FD for this one, but if there's one thing that's been consistent, it's Slime hot out the gate, racking up some good damage, reading that air dodge, getting up towards the 68%. Well, he goes for the spin out off stage.
That 68 was all off a fastball nair.
And it just took one read in the middle of that, the air dodge. Anaconda.
Headshot.
And it's practically an even game going. Super. Trying to catch Slime with that up. So we game 1. I like that. Oh, there's the armor axe. That up there catch and pass ledge there from Slime. Oh, gets hit by jab 1, I'm not sure.
Take the good mix-up from Anaconda.
A little bit of a scramble between the two players, but yeah, Anaconda knows that up smash is coming out of shield, a popular Bowser Jr. option.
Use the error bar to get around the Mecha Koopa trap. It's pretty creative.
Once again, Anaconda generated behind. It started great for Slime, now Anaconda but that's not taking 73% of the board. Slime could still pull this off. He pulled it off games 1 and 2 when it wasn't looking good. He pulled it off here. Not air dodge, very good play there from Anaconda. But, oh my gosh, still gets hit by that combo. I think that triple get up was just the perfect timing to not get hit by the forward smash.
What a lingering aerial.
I like that neutral range Anaconda's playing at. It's more so to wait for that clown card until the jump doesn't get hit. Oh my gosh, hammer. Not quite good.
Picked it up, but no double jump here. This might be Joardi-da. Yep.
If Anaconda was able to pin to the stage from down there, that would have been beautiful.
Unfortunately, this is not Kalos.
Now, last stock here for Anaconda, possibly last of the set.
Crowd popping off for who I assume.
Oh my gosh, that stock Anaconda back in this one.
Judging by the crowd, it sounds like Snake God Grape is going to be the one who gets to top 32, but I'm not entirely sure. Meanwhile, over here, we got a hotly contested game 3. Ooh, this was
being a little bit cheeky with that up beat, not getting caught with the forward smash, and it could go either way here. That up air, I think he's on the jump.
oh, caught in the landing leg of that back air.
That, okay, that stare there from Slime is terrifying. You do not know what it's waiting for. To get a roll at that position can kind of work for both, especially with the range of the forward smash. Rainy back in center stage, great technique.
Oh, a little too high for set for the combo known as Bowser Jr.'s Beauty, but he got an alternative route that almost killed. Forward air.
Another release on life. That was so close. Right there.
Uh-oh.
Regrab. Oh my goodness.
Great patience from Slime. Nair. So much mileage off that massive Nair.
Oh my gosh, catching the roll, and where is Slime going? This dance dance, what is going on? He's thinking forward air off stage, not quite. Waiting for Anaconda. Waiting for Anaconda. Tech roll away. This is really scary for Anaconda. 160%. Most moves are going to kill here. And I love Slime's patience. He's hit the brakes. He knows that he has to leave.
And headshot.
Are you kidding me? Stolen. They're both thieves.
No hesitation.
Slime wanted,
Both of them are stealing games.
Slime wanted the cool kill, and in all fairness, he was in control of that scramble situation for most of it.
And a straight back air at like 100. Center stage with max range. Oh my gosh. And
That's not even to mention the extra damage, because that hit Bowser Jr. right in the face.
Well, I feel like Slime in the second half of that game was definitely getting used to things, but Anaconda was able to finally pull it off, and they continued.
Let's see. Game 4 here. I did not see which stage they went to. Back to FD. Okay.
1, go!
Slime very much fine with FD here, trying to exploit Byleth's notoriously terrible disadvantage.
Slime, but now Anaconda getting some traction, waiting at that distance. More time to approach. Big damage there, the jab into the Mecha Koopa. Oh, he was able to catch it on the way. Great catch on the Mecha Koopa there from Anaconda. And they're both waiting for a commitment. Both players want the other one to make a proactive movement, not to get caught. But Anaconda getting some great damage.
Oh, he nearly got caught by the falling cannon, but timed that neutral get up very well.
like that. Anaconda using the nairs the way that they are. Oh my god. Why don't we do that? I guess maybe he wasn't expecting it, but that fork and the back air or forward. I wasn't quite sure exactly which one, but either way, Slime takes the first stock. Okay.
A lot of people will jump there, so Bowser Jr.'s forward air there after the down tilt lets him simultaneously cover the jump and then catch someone being antsy and trying to punish the whip using the landing hitbox.
That up smash out of the shield does not want to sleep on taking that stock. Only 60 on the board. I don't think it matters. I think Anaconda can get so much going off like 1 or 2 neutral wins. He's not going to get out of here from the nair. Punish. Unfortunate, but still getting something going. I don't know if they even wanted to down that.
Surprising with the aggressive option.
I don't know if Anaconda expected that there.
What the hell? Normally hit grabs beat armor, but not in that case. All he got was the launching hitbox.
No jump for Anaconda. That's it. That's the right.
Slime firmly in control. Oh my goodness.
Against Anaconda, spending their jump. Great jump shielding. I think they were going for down smash there.
Oh, Anaconda nearly jumped right onto it. Little Z drop tech. And the surprise!
No jump. No!
That's...
Oh! Way deep off stage, taking it. Slime wins a set 3-1.
All right.
And he was waiting for that jump. He knew it was coming.